Step 5. Linearise the printer. Select the application menu at the top of the window, and choose Linearizer in the list to open the app. In the available media list, select the media you created earlier for the printer. A linearization chart will appear on the screen in RGB. Select your spectrophotometer from the drop-down list. This will be used to measure the printed chart. Select the Print Chart button when ready. In the pop-up window, select Don't Apply, Print to Linearize option. Select the page setup created earlier and submit. If Hold After Rendering is enabled, untick it so the chart will go straight to print. The chart will be sent to the printer. RGB linearization charts will print as a single black-gray strip. Allow the chart to dry and stabilize for 5 to 10 minutes before measuring. When the chart is ready, using your selected instrument, select Measure to begin. Once measured, the chart results will automatically appear in the Linearizer window. Save the measurements and enter a name. Go back to the Workbench application window. Select Media in the Data Types list and select the media you created earlier in the list. Go to the Color Management panel. You will see the linearization just completed is automatically assigned. Up next, Step 6. Submit an ICC target.